To have Chef Brendan Murphy here with Babalu Tapas and Tacos, Charlotte. And I tell you what.
Thank you for having us.
Good stuff coming up here, Brendan. And you're putting together something really good that's going to be a delight for the Charlotte's Feast.
Yes, sir.
When does that start, by the way?
That starts January 20th through the 29th.
All right. And for folks who don't know, explain what that's all about.
So we're offering a 3-course meal for $30. This is going to be one of our selections that we're going to be offering during Restaurant Week. It's going to be a cured pork belly that we're going to pan-sear and serve it with a little red mole sauce and some crispy fingerling potatoes and arugula.
And it looks wonderful, what I see right here. So tell us how you do this. What do you do here?
So what I did is I cured this pork belly for 2 days.
All right, now, when you say pork belly, I think people have all sorts of different visions of what that is. Describe what you have here.
Pork belly is the same cut that they make bacon out of. So it's going to be very decadent. Rich.
Oh, decadent is right. Yes.
A lot of good fats on it, a lot of nice meats on it. What we did with our pork belly is we cured it for 2 days with a simple mixture of salt and sugar, a little thyme, parsley, and celery, which the celery actually acts as a natural curing agent.
Really?
So we don't use any nitrates in our curing process.
Yeah.
So we did that for 2 days, rinse it off, and roast it at 450 degrees for about 2.5 hours until it's nice and tender.
Oh, wow.
And then for this particular dish, we're going to sear it on all sides, and then while that's searing, we've made a little red mole sauce. It's going to be rich.
Oh, yeah.
Little hints of chocolate to it, and that takes about 24 hours to make as well. And then
how long does this take from start to finish to make something like this, Brendan?
it takes about 3 days.
Wow.
3 days from start to finish. So we put a lot of love into it.
Oh, I'll say you put a lot of love into it.
So we want to get that skin, that fat, nice and crispy. And while we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and plate up our arugula and our crispy fingerling potatoes that we've roasted off.
Look at this.
So right into the bowl. Season with a little salt and pepper.
So this is almost like a salad.
That's right. It's going to be a nice balance for that rich pork belly. Get a little acid into it. I'm going to toss that up. Checking our pork belly. Nice and roasted. You got some nice caramelization on that pork belly.
Oh.
Drain off the fat a little bit.
Oh, no. And that's the mole sauce.
That's the mole sauce that we've painted on the plate right on the bottom. So then you have the crispy fingerlings and arugula. We're just going to go right on the plate.
Look at that. Presentation is
That's
everything.
right.
You know, it really is.
It really is.
That looks wonderful right there.
And you can find the full menu for our Charlotte Restaurant Week at charlotterestaurantweek.com.
charlotterestaurantweek.com, and you're going to be doing this. Now, what part of the course is this?
This is going to be one of the appetizer courses.
This is the appetizer for this. This isn't even the main dish.
Right.
Oh my gosh! But I look at that, Brendan, and I think, gosh, I could just.
This will set up the entire experience.
Oh, that's going to be absolutely incredible. And you all are located where?
We're located at 1511 East Boulevard in the historic Dilworth neighborhood.
All right, and you're going to want to try them out, and you're going to be serving this during the Charlotte's Feast.
Yes,
Any
sir.
other time of the year?
Just for Charlotte's Queen Feast. Right?
All right, you need to sign up for that and make sure that's a part of your dining out, because I think you're going to absolutely love it. Brendan, thank you so much.
Thank you
Great
for
to
having
have you with us. And we'll be back right after this, so stay with us. Time now is 8:13.